Savoring Mongolia, exploring the most beloved dishes of the nomadic cuisine. Mongolian cuisine is a reflection of the country's nomadic heritage and rugged landscapes, featuring hearty and flavorful dishes that have become beloved staples in the region. Here, we'll explore some of the most favorite dishes in Mongolia. 1. Buuz, Mongolian dumplings. Buuz, often referred to as the heart of Mongolian cuisine, are delightful dumplings beloved for their delicious simplicity. These savory pockets of flavor are made by filling dough wrappers with minced meat, typically beef or mutton, along with finely chopped onions and a blend of seasonings. The dumplings are then steamed, resulting in tender, juicy morsels with a delicate outer shell. Buuz are a staple at festive occasions and family gatherings, representing both the culinary traditions of Mongolia and the warmth of shared meals. Their versatile appeal, whether enjoyed as a snack or a main course, has made them a cherished favorite among Mongolians and visitors alike. 2. Kushur, Mongolian fried dumplings. Kushur, the delectable fried dumplings of Mongolia, are a beloved street food and traditional treat. These golden brown, crescent-shaped delights are typically stuffed with a mixture of minced meat, often beef or mutton, along with finely chopped onions and occasionally cabbage. Encased in a dough wrapper, they are deep-fried to crispy perfection, resulting in a delightful combination of textures, a crunchy exterior and a succulent, flavorful interior. Kushur are a portable and satisfying snack enjoyed at festivals, in bustling markets, or as a quick and hearty meal. They offer a delicious taste of Mongolian cuisine and its flavorful nomadic traditions. 3. Suivan, Mongolian noodle stew. Suivan, a beloved dish in Mongolian cuisine, is a hearty and satisfying noodle stew that reflects the nomadic lifestyle of the region. Thick wheat noodles are stir-fried to a golden hue and then combined with succulent meat, commonly mutton or beef. The dish incorporates an array of vegetables, with potatoes and carrots being popular additions. Often, dairy products like cheese or curds are included, adding a rich and creamy dimension. Suivan is traditionally cooked in large pans over an open flame, infusing it with a unique smoky flavor. This soul-warming stew embodies the essence of Mongolian comfort food, perfect for warming the heart on the rugged steppes. 4. Khorkhog, Mongolian lamb stew. Khorkhog, a treasured dish in Mongolian cuisine, represents a unique culinary experience. This sumptuous lamb stew combines tender meat, usually lamb or goat, with an assortment of vegetables, including potatoes and carrots. What sets khorkhog apart is its traditional cooking method. Ingredients are placed in a large container along with hot stones, water, and seasonings. This mixture is heated over an open flame, resulting in a flavorful and aromatic stew infused with the essence of the earth. Khorkhog is not just a meal. It's a communal experience and a symbol of Mongolian culture, often prepared during special celebrations and gatherings, showcasing the rich heritage of the nomadic way of life. 5. Boodog, Mongolian barbecued marmot. Boodog, a uniquely Mongolian culinary tradition, offers a sensory adventure. This dish features a whole marmot, skinned and meticulously prepared. The marmot is then filled with an assortment of seasonings and hot stones before being sewn shut and roasted over an open fire. The cooking process imparts a distinctive, smoky flavor to the meat, making it a delectable delicacy. Boodog is more than just a meal. It's a communal experience that often brings friends and family together during special occasions. This centuries-old tradition not only showcases Mongolian culinary ingenuity, but also reflects the deep connection between the people and their rugged natural surroundings. 6. Arul, dried cheese curds. Arul, a cherished Mongolian snack, embodies the resourcefulness of nomadic life. These dried cheese curds are a staple in the Mongolian diet. To make arul, curd cheese is fermented, molded into small pieces, and then air-dried. The result is a versatile snack available in various flavors and textures, from chewy to crunchy. Arul serves as a portable and nutrient-rich treat, ideal for long journeys on the vast steppes. Its longevity and nutritional value make it a convenient and sustainable source of sustenance, well suited to the demands of the nomadic lifestyle. Arul is not just a snack, it's a symbol of resilience in Mongolia's harsh, beautiful landscapes. 7. Arag, fermented mare's milk. Arag, the traditional Mongolian beverage, is a unique and revered part of nomadic culture. It's crafted from fermented mare's milk, offering a distinctively sour and effervescent taste. Arag is not just a favorite drink, it's a symbol of hospitality in Mongolia. The nomadic herders' ability to utilize mare's milk for this refreshing beverage reflects their deep connection to the land. Beyond its taste, arag is also renowned for its probiotic properties, making it a nutritious choice. It's often served in leather bags called kukur, and sharing a cup of arag is a gesture of friendship and a window into the enduring traditions of the Mongolian steppe. 8. Bortsog, Mongolian fried dough. Bortsog, the delightful fried dough of Mongolian cuisine, is a beloved treat that beautifully balances simplicity and flavor. These dough-based pastries come in various shapes, often squares or twisted strips, and are deep-fried to a golden, crispy perfection. Their taste can range from sweet to mildly savory, depending on the recipe and preference. Bortsog are a versatile snack and dessert, equally at home with a cup of tea or as a quick, energy-boosting treat during long journeys across the vast Mongolian steppes. Their enduring popularity lies in their portability, long shelf life, and delightful taste, making them a cherished staple in Mongolian households and a symbol of enduring tradition. Mongolian cuisine, shaped by the country's nomadic way of life and its harsh climate, offers a delightful array of dishes. From savory dumplings to rich meat stews and unique culinary traditions like boodog, Mongolian food captures the essence of the land and its enduring culture. These favorite dishes are not only satisfying, but also provide a glimpse into the culinary heritage of Mongolia.